Good morning, students. In my last video, I had finished geography lesson 2. Now today, I am going to start civics lesson 2. Name of the lesson is diversity and discrimination. At first, difference and prejudice. Difference and prejudice. If you look around in your class or in society or even in your family, you will find people are in different nature, physique, color, complexion, and so on. Some people speak rudely and someone politely. Some people you like most and some may not. Do you think why this happened? It is because diversity is not always appreciated or taken up positively. We feel safe and comfortable in the company of a person who like us. And those people whom we not like or not familiar, we form a negative feeling about them. This is called diversity, prejudice. This is called prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively. For example, we think that English is the best language in the world. And we respect those people who speak English well. And we look down upon those people who can't speak English. Another difference is visible in the economic background. In our country, some people are very rich and some people are very poor. The poor people have not resources or money to fulfill their needs. They are discriminated everywhere. Now, rural and urban people. Rural and urban people. Rural and urban people. Rural means village people. Rural people means village people. Urban people means the people who live in the city or town. Have you seen a person who wears dhoti and kurta? You think that he is a backward and illiterate villager. Both rural and urban people have their own opinion about each other. According to rural people, they think that the people who live in the city are spoiled and lazy. They are fond of money. They don't care emotions of others. They don't spend little time with each other. They are cunning and corrupt. On the other hand, the city people think that rural people are backward and illiterate. They don't know how to use modern agricultural technology. They spend more times in the fields. They are full of superstitions. They share common features such as temple, schools, ponds. Now, creating stereotype. When we fix the people into one image, we create a stereotype. When we fix the people into one image, we create a stereotype. You must have heard someone say, girls are weak in mathematics, girls are polite, girls are weaker than boys, boys are naughty, brave and strong. These are stereotypes. A large number of people, this image fit into a large number of people's mind. Now, gender differences. Gender differences. Boys and girls in many parts of India are brought up in different manners. Boys are taught to be strong and brave. Do not shed tears, because tears are a sign of weakness. Women do all the household work, such as cooking, washing clothes, tailoring, take care of their children, and men do the work of outside. The stereotypical thinking that girls have to be leave parents after marriage, affect the life of a daughter right after birth to marriage. They are treated as temporary members by their own family. They are not treated equally with boys. They are not given equal opportunities as boys to go to a school or the colleges. Now the discrimination. About the inequality and discrimination. And discrimination is when discrimination happens when we act on prejudice or stereotype. Discrimination is when we feel inferior to other people because of their gender, nationality, religion, etc. When we judge the people or a group of people based on prejudice or stereotype, it leads to discrimination. Causes of discrimination now. Causes of discrimination. Number one is different religion. In our country, some people speak a certain language, follow a certain religion. They are discriminated. It may be or may not be. Second is economic background. Economic background. In our country, some people are very rich and some are very poor. They do not have resources or money. The poor people do not have resources or money to fulfill their needs. And they are discriminated everywhere. Third is other occupations. Other occupations. In our country, there are many occupations. Some people are engaged in carpentry, teaching, fishing, agriculture, and so on. And some occupations, such as cleaning toilets, streets, picking garbage, cutting hair. Some occupations are valued more, and some occupations valued less. And the occupations who valued less, such as cleaning toilets or cleaning streets, cutting hair, these occupations valued less. And these people are discriminated everywhere in our society. Today that's all, my dear students. Next